Welcome to 8-Bit Basic. Okay, check this out. What you're looking at is a basic game from 1984 called Convoy. It's from Commodore 64 Games Book 2. You are in a little boat in an underground canal underneath the road. The trucks are rolling overhead and you need to blow up the road under the right trucks, the black ones, and make sure the red ones get through safely. And I want you to keep that image in your head. Trucks trying to get through, some making it, some falling into the water. Because I think I've accidentally found the most topical game that I've ever shown on this channel. This 42-year-old game predicted exactly what's happening now with the new Commodore 64 Ultimate. In case you haven't been following this, our beloved Commodore is back. It's back with the Commodore 64 Ultimate. And there's been a few hiccups, manufacturing delays, shipment delays, tariffs, custom delays, global component problems. Some of you out there are still waiting for your machines to arrive. Well, obviously mine is here because I've been using it on the channel, but I just thought this game, as soon as I saw it, I could not believe it. It's exactly what's going on. Some of the Commodore trucks are making it and some of them are not. Now, I am having a super amount of fun with this game. Very enjoyable to play. It was a great type in as well. It's a good logistical challenge. You've always got to keep your eye on that bomb timer down the bottom just to make sure you don't get stuck holding the bomb, because if you do, you will explode. Oh no. Just like that there. I've also done a little tweaked version of the code, made a few changes. Hopefully you'll like it. Let's have a look at what I've done. Load Convoy 8-Bit Basic. So here comes the code for those people that enjoy looking at the code and the random things that I do here on this channel. So of course I had a great basis of a game to work on. Absolutely fantastic game. And I've made a few little tweaks. So it's still doing its little loading in real time. Here it comes. Here's our code. Going through there, lots of game logic. We've got quite a few pokes for our sprites coming up. Not pokes, data statements. Quite a few data statements. There they go. And some of the data statements handle the movement as well. That's why the player character moves so well. Let's have a look at my little changes. Run. Convoy added by 8-Bit Basic YouTube channel. Also just gives you something to read while all the datas are being poked into the memory. So here comes our screen load. There's our sky. Here is our road. There is the scary grey part of our underground cavern, and here comes the water. So let's have a look at some of my tongue-in-cheek fun. So hopefully there you've noticed it's no longer Commodore trucks that we want falling into the water, because that's probably why your Commodore 64 Ultimates haven't arrived yet. We've got lovely little Atari trucks. So your goal is to make sure that the Atari trucks do not make it to the end, and that all of our Commodore trucks do. So here's our first red Commodore truck. So now my logistics begin, keeping an eye on the timer. And there is also another little feature that I have included in the game, but we shall have to wait and see. Now this is going to be okay. Yep, that's going to explode. Then I will have time to repair the road. Oh, just made it. I can put a bomb. No, repair the road. Put a bomb. Oh, just. It is very stressful. All right, 8 seconds. Oh, and there's my new thing. The Commodore 64 Ultimate Founders Edition falling from the sky. Is the bomb going to explode in time? Oh, yes. Oh, no. All right, I'm going to try it again because I want to catch my Founders Edition. Oh, I'm not going to be able to catch that one. I won't make it in time. Oh, and there's my multicolor explosion sprite. Okay, hopefully I'll get another one. Because if I let a red truck fall, it is game over for me. In the original code, the truck still could make it over the gaps. And this one, oh no, I forgot to watch the bomb timer. Okay, I'm determined to catch one. I don't think it's going to be possible to get this one because the truck will fall down. Yep. Ah. Oh, this is my chance. This is my chance. Oh, and I forgot that you can screen wrap as well. No. Oh, no. But you can't screen wrap the other way. Are you kidding me? No. Oh, come on, yeah. Get a bit of a boost there when the truck's falling. I think I'm going to catch it. Yay. Finally, there's my 1,000 points. Oh, my goodness. As I was filming this game, I thought maybe I should have done a Starlight Edition falling and a basic beige falling. What do you think? What are some other suggestions you have for this game? Because, yeah, it's really, really good fun. One thing that I've forgotten to show you is what happens if you accidentally miss your Commodore 64 Founders Edition. I did a bit of work tweaking the code when I was designing this because I wanted to make sure it wasn't coming down too fast or too slow so that you actually had a chance to get to it if you needed to. So I'm exaggerating a bit here just so you can see what happens. I thought about it, what could happen? Originally, it was going all the way to the bottom of the screen and that was sort of lagging quite a bit. So I decided on something a little bit different. So I just did a little flicker animation of the color. So now it just vanishes and it floats away like the heart of the ocean deeply into the water. There's still a few more games to go here in Commodore 64 Games Book 2. This is our code for what Convoy was looking like when it was original. Set of variables there. I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4 pages of code. Now, I want some suggestions from you. Would you like to see next this wonderful game called Eggplant? Letterbox. We've got two beauties here, Stuntman and Tank Ambush. Minotaur or Astral Attack. Brickbuster. Crash Barrier. Laser Battle or Break-In. Also let me know, would you just like to see me playing some of these games? Would you like me to review them, rate them? Would you like a little bit of a code deep dive? Tell me what you would like. Thank you all so much to all of the subscribers, the lovely people out there who take the time to comment and like all of my videos. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so already. Let me know, has your Commodore 64 Ultimate arrived? Is it stuck? Where is it? What are you waiting for? And I will see you all again soon for some more 8-Bit Basic. If you're new to the channel, here's a bunch of my videos that I've released recently. There's something in there for everyone. If you are interested in basic coding, if you're interested in what the wonderful Commodore 64 can do, there is some really, really great stuff there. I'll leave a link to my Commodore 64 playlist where you'll find all of these videos on my channel.